Hi everyone, I wanted to come on and share with you some really important information. This is about Crafted with Passion Robin. Anyway, first let me show you this. This is going to be one of the Christmas bingo packages, and I think I've got 3 of these boxes. I might have more, but what I'm doing is decorating the boxes with tissue papers, and I've filled them with all kinds of ephemera goodies. So this is another one of the things I'm making to go with bingo. But back to Robin. Robin fell and broke her hip. She is in the hospital. They are transferring her to another hospital to do surgery. So those of you that won presents on her birthday bash, you're going to be waiting for a while to get those, and I hope you all understand and nobody gets nasty about it, because from my understanding, anytime you have hip surgery, you don't go home immediately. You go to a rehab center. So she's in for a long haul, and she's in for a lot of pain. So I want to ask everyone to please pray for her. Please be patient. And the 14 people that went on my channel, your packages will go out on the bingo prizes this coming week. But for Robin's, y'all are just going to have to wait unless I can work something out where maybe her husband, if it's all boxed up with people's names on it, maybe he can mail it to me, and then I can mail it out for her. But, you know, even if that's not possible, I'll make the offer if it's not all already boxed together. I'm not even going to worry about it, and I hope you don't either. And I hope you don't stress over it and cause stress to her, because I will not be a happy camper if that happens. Y'all give her some space, give her some time, and pray for her. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.